Today we have a giant gift on campus. It's a giant box right here. What do you think's inside this box? I'm going to need you guys to get excited because what's inside this box is going to be a reminder to us every time we walk past it about the Thunder Wave. To start us off, I want you guys to stomp your feet a little bit like this. Make it as loud as you can. Make some thunder. Let me hear you. All right. And we're going to do a countdown from 10. And so we're going to do it together. And then they're going to reveal what's in the box so as loud as you can. Here we go. 10!